Hello everyone and welcome back to CarOG 765. If you love classic vehicles, vintage campers, and the rich history of American road travel, you are in the right place. Today, we are taking a close look at the legendary 1969 Winnebago D19, a classic motorhome that helped define the RV lifestyle in America. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to CarOG 765 and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos about classic cars, trucks, and vintage recreational vehicles. The 1969 Winnebago D19 represents a fascinating period in American automotive history. During the late 1960s, more families were discovering the freedom of traveling across the country while bringing the comforts of home with them. Winnebago became one of the most recognized names in the RV industry, and the D19 was designed to make long-distance travel easier, more comfortable, and more affordable for everyday families. At first glance, the 1969 Winnebago D19 immediately stands out with its distinctive boxy design. Unlike modern motorhomes with sleek curves and advanced aerodynamics, the D19 proudly displayed the practical styling of its era. The large windows provided excellent visibility and allowed plenty of natural light into the living area. Its bold appearance made it instantly recognizable on highways and campgrounds throughout America. One of the most impressive features of the D19 was its ability to combine transportation and accommodation into a single vehicle. Families could drive hundreds of miles and then stop for the night without needing a hotel. This concept revolutionized road trips and encouraged people to explore more of the country. National parks, scenic highways, and remote camping destinations became much more accessible. Inside the motorhome, the D19 offered a surprisingly comfortable living space for its time. The interior typically included sleeping areas, a dining section, storage cabinets, and a small kitchen. Travelers could prepare meals, relax after a long day on the road, and enjoy a level of convenience that traditional camping simply could not provide. For many families, this was the ultimate travel experience. The kitchen area was one of the most appreciated parts of the vehicle. It allowed owners to cook their own meals instead of relying entirely on restaurants. This not only reduced travel expenses but also made long journeys more practical. Storage compartments helped keep food, utensils, and personal belongings organized during extended trips. The sleeping arrangements were designed to maximize the available space. Although compact by modern standards, the D19 made efficient use of every inch. Convertible seating areas often doubled as beds, allowing several people to sleep comfortably inside the motorhome. This flexibility was one of the reasons why Winnebago became so popular among traveling families. Powering the 1969 Winnebago D19 was a dependable engine designed to handle the weight of the motorhome while providing reliable performance on American roads. Owners valued durability more than speed, and the vehicle was built with long-distance travel in mind. While it was never intended to be a high-performance machine, it delivered the steady and dependable operation needed for cross-country adventures. Driving a vintage motorhome like the D19 was a unique experience. The large size required careful handling, and drivers needed to be aware of the vehicle's dimensions. However, many enthusiasts say that operating a classic Winnebago creates a special connection with the road that modern vehicles simply cannot match. Every trip becomes an adventure filled with nostalgia and character. Another reason the D19 remains admired today is its role in American culture. During the late 1960s and early 1970s, road travel became a symbol of freedom and exploration. Families packed their belongings, planned exciting routes, and created unforgettable memories. Vehicles like the Winnebago D19 became part of those stories and helped shape an entire generation's travel experiences. Today, surviving examples of the 1969 Winnebago D19 are considered valuable classics. Collectors and RV enthusiasts appreciate their historical significance and distinctive design. Many owners carefully restore these motorhomes, preserving original features while upgrading certain components for safety and reliability. Seeing a restored D19 on the road is like stepping back in time to a golden era of American travel. Vintage RV events and classic vehicle shows often feature beautifully maintained Winnebago motorhomes. These gatherings allow enthusiasts to share stories, compare restorations, and celebrate the history of recreational vehicles. The D19 frequently attracts attention because it represents one of the early chapters in the success story of Winnebago. What makes the 1969 Winnebago D19 truly special is the sense of adventure it represents. It reminds us of a time when the journey itself was just as important as the destination. Families traveled at a slower pace, enjoyed scenic routes, and embraced the excitement of discovering new places along the way. Even in today's world of advanced technology and luxury RVs, the charm of the D19 continues to inspire enthusiasts. Its simple design, practical layout, and historical importance make it a memorable vehicle that still captures the imagination of travelers and collectors alike. The 1969 Winnebago D19 is more than just a motorhome. It is a symbol of freedom, family travel, and the adventurous spirit that defined an era. Its legacy continues to live on through dedicated owners and enthusiasts who keep these remarkable vehicles on the road. Thank you for watching Car OG 765. If you enjoyed learning about the classic 1969 Winnebago D19, please like this video, share it with fellow vintage vehicle enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing stories about classic cars, trucks, vans, and motorhomes from around the world. See you in the next video.